Welcome to your new ride and your new obsession. This e-scooter isn't just a way to get around, it's a level up to grind the streets. Let's gear up and get rolling. In the box, you will find your future ride, user manual, hex wrench, and 6 screws, warranty, and tire pump extension because flats are a vibe killer. Don't skip the manual, it's a total lifesaver, especially when you're staring at an extra screw, wondering where it's supposed to go. Let's get building! First, align the pieces carefully, lock them in place, and you're off to a strong start. Secure the folding lever tightly. It's the backbone of your ride, so make sure it's solid. Now grab your hex wrench and tighten those screws. If they don't slide in smoothly, take a deep breath and try again. Inflate the tires, stand back, and admire your work. You just leveled up! What time is it? Oh, juice up this ride o'clock. Plug it in and let the light show begin. Red, your scooter's fueling up. Flashing, it's in the final stretch. Patience. Green, boom. It's ready to roll like the champ it is. Oh, and even if you take a break from riding, but why would you? Make sure to charge it every 3 months to keep it healthy. Your scooter likes attention. Let's not overcomplicate it. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and it's ready for service. Double tap and your scooter just switched gears. Let there be light. Your scooter's built-in headlights are here to guide your path, bright and promising. Need to signal a turn? Just press the turning light switch and let the world know where you're heading. Check out the dashboard. It's your control center showing your speed, gear, and battery level at a glance. Time to roll. Step on the deck, give the throttle a nudge, and feel the rush. Need to slow down? Easy. Ease off the accelerator and let your scooter glide to a stop. Done for now? Press and hold the power button to turn everything off. One simple move and bam! Unfolding, just reverse those steps. Origami actually wish it was this simple. Safety first, helmet, must have, check. Raincoat, optional. Grinding the streets? I thought you'd never ask.
Oh, and before you go, we've got a full range.